Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on an air conditioner that I really like. It's the new 2018 model by Frigidaire. Just to clarify, the model number on this one is FFRA0511U1. I should mention too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this air conditioning unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So if you're looking for a kind of a cheap, good quality window shaker air conditioner, this is the one to get in my opinion. It's new for 2018 from Frigidaire. It replaces their really popular, one of their other units, one of their best-selling units. This is the replacement model for it. I hadn't really seen many reviews on it, so I thought I'd give you guys my 2 cents. So this is a 5,000 BTU unit, which is perfect for a small to medium-sized room. Most 99% of bedrooms it'll be fine for, unless you have an absolutely huge bedroom or even a small living room or den. Absolutely perfect for. It's a few things I like about it. For one, it's very quiet. Most air conditioners are fairly loud or annoying, especially when they're this cheap. This one, not so. It's very quiet. It has a nice sound to it though, so like if you like having an air conditioner like put you to sleep, it's very soothing sounding, but it's not annoying, if that makes sense. It blows ice cold air, extremely cold air. It plugs right into a normal 110 outlet. Comes with the window mounting kit, everything you need to install it, and that's another thing too, is it's very easy to install too. But really the nice thing about this thing too is how little energy it uses. These things have gotten so efficient now over the years that, I mean, this thing will probably, based on my calculations, if you ran it like a lot, depending on where you live, of course, if you have in a warm climate or a cold climate, but if it's in the middle of summer, it's probably going to run you about $2 or $3 a month in electricity costs. That's how efficient these things are. And it will keep a room ice cold to the point where, I mean, you wouldn't want to be in it. It'd be so cold, but obviously you can set the thermometer to whatever you like. You can run the fan on this without it running the compressor. So you can keep the fan going all the time if you want and just have it run whenever it gets, too warm. But yeah, great little air conditioning unit. Frigidaire makes some of the best air conditioners out there in my opinion, and this is for the money, in my opinion, the best one they make. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.